Hi students, welcome you all to another new session of Brainiacs Doubt Clearance. So today we have a new question in front of you. I'll just read the question. 1 mole of oxygen molecule will be equal to, would see option A 4 gram equivalent oxygen, 2 gram equivalent of oxygen, 32 gram equivalent of oxygen, D 8 gram equivalent of oxygen. So this is a question related to number of equivalent. We know that number of moles and number of equivalents are two different dimensions. Number of moles are used in stoichiometric equations or stoichiometry related calculations, and the number of equivalents are used in law of chemical equivalence. So let me say what is number of equivalents. So number of equivalents and number of gram equivalents both are same. Okay, so I can say number of gram equivalents is equal to weight in gram divided by equivalent mass. Correct. So why I am saying is number of equivalents and number of gram equivalents are same means since we are using weight in gram, we specifically say number of gram equivalents. So actually speaking, we know that number of moles is weight in gram divided by molecular mass or atomic mass. Correct. So here since weight in gram, we are not telling number of gram moles, we usually say number of moles. So similar to that, we usually say number of equivalents, but actually the number of gram equivalents and the number of equivalents both are one to one same. Okay, so here we will see. So weight in gram, we need to find it out. So they have given 1 mole of oxygen. So 1 mole of oxygen has a mass of, tell me molecular mass expressed in grams. Since it is oxygen molecule, we know that it is O2. So weight in gram will be equal to O2 means 32 gram. Correct. Now what is the equivalent mass of oxygen? So we will calculate that. Equivalent mass of oxygen is equal to equivalent mass of oxygen is equal to, for any element, the method of finding the equivalent mass is equal to atomic mass divided by valency. This you should remember. We are learning while calculating the equivalent weight. So what is the atomic mass of oxygen? It will come around 16. And valency of oxygen, you know that 2 more electrons are required to complete the octet. So valency is 2. So I will get a value equal to 8. Correct. So we will substitute this value over here. So we can say weight in gram, that is 32 divided by 8. So I will get a value that is equal to 4. So tell me how many grams of equivalents are there? 4 gram equivalents of oxygen. That means 1 mole of oxygen molecule will be equal to 4 gram equivalents of oxygen. So option A will be the correct answer. So if you have liked the explanation, please subscribe our channel so you will get more videos. Thank you.